How to connect Airpods to Linux. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your Airpods to a Linux computer in a few simple steps. If you don't know how to connect your Airpods to a Linux computer, don't worry, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Step 1. Turn on Bluetooth. First, make sure your computer has Bluetooth turned on. You can do this by looking for the Bluetooth icon near your clock or searching for Bluetooth settings in your menu. If it's off, just turn it on. Step 2. Open the Bluetooth Manager. Now, open your Bluetooth Manager. On most Linux systems, it's called Bluetooth Manager or BlueMan. This is where you search for your AirPods. Step 3. Put AirPods in pairing mode. Take your AirPods and open the case. Then, press and hold the button on the back until the light starts blinking white. That means they're ready to connect. Step 4. Connect to AirPods. Go back to your computer and click Search or Scan to find the devices. When you see your AirPods on the list, click them and choose Pair or Connect. It might take a few seconds, that's normal. Step 5. Set as audio output. Once connected, go to your sound settings. Look for the option to choose your sound output and select your AirPods. Now, your audio should come through the AirPods. And that's it. Super easy. Now you can enjoy music, videos or meetings using AirPods on Linux. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.